BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all settings, then scroll down and pick display. And now scroll down a bit, and under Daydream you will notice font size, so just open it. And now you can change the font size, so you have 4 options. You can pick small, as you can see now it's way smaller, or you can pick large, huge, whichever you prefer. And if you would like to go back to default, so just open font size one more time and pick normal. And that's it. This is how you change the font size in your BLUBOO Xtouch. You can do it whenever you want to or need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.